In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use conversations in Smartsheet. Conversations are a great way to keep all your communication tied directly to your work instead of scattered across emails and chat threads. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to start a conversation, how to comment on specific rows, and how to tag teammates so nothing slips through the cracks. Let's start on the right side of your Smartsheet screen. Look for the panel with several icons. You'll see one that looks like a speech bubble. That's the Conversations icon. Go ahead and click that. When you do, a Conversations panel will slide open, giving you a dedicated space to discuss the work in your sheet without leaving the page. Next, you'll decide where you want your comment to live. At the top of the Conversations panel, you'll see two options. One is tied to a specific row, and the other is the general sheet-level conversation. If you want to talk about a particular task or entry, first click on that row in your sheet. With the row selected, your comment will be attached directly to it, so anyone reviewing that row in the future can see the full discussion. If you want to share a broader update or ask a general question that applies to the entire sheet, switch to the Sheet tab in the Conversations panel. Comments here aren't tied to any single row. They're more like announcements or team discussions about the overall project. Once you've chosen either a row or the Sheet tab, click into the text box at the bottom of the panel and start typing your message. You can use this space to provide context, ask for clarification, share status updates, or document decisions. Being clear and specific here will really help your teammates understand what you need. To make sure the right people see your comment, use the @ symbol followed by their name. As you type the @ symbol and start entering a name, Smartsheet will suggest matching contacts. Select the correct person and they'll be tagged in your comment. When you post it, they'll receive an email notification and can even reply directly from their inbox, which helps keep responses quick and organized. When your message looks good and you've tagged anyone who needs to be involved, click Post Comment or use the Send icon. Your comment is now saved to the sheet, visible to collaborators, and part of the permanent conversation history around that work.